If you are planning to buy a camera in 2026 and you are feeling confused, overwhelmed, or scared of making the wrong choice, this video is for you. There are so many cameras, so many brands, and so many opinions online. Beginners cameras, hybrid cameras, cinematic cameras, APS-C, full frame. It's a lot. In this video, I did the hard work for you. I carefully select the best cameras you can buy in 2026 based on your budget, your experience level, and the type of content you want to create. Whether you are a complete beginners, a content creator with a limited budget, or a professional looking to upgrade, you will find a camera that fits you perfectly in this video. And very important, this is not about the most expensive camera. It's about the right camera for you. Before we jump in, if you decide to buy any of the cameras mentioned in this video, please use the affiliate links in the description. It helps support the channel more than you think, at no extra cost to you. Thank you. Alright, let's jump straight into it. Section 1. Best cameras under $800. Who is this for? This is for beginners, new content creators, YouTubers and vloggers, people starting photography and videography. Sony ZV-E10. Best under $800. If you want to start your content journey in 2026 and you like or trust the Sony ecosystem, this is one of the best cameras you can buy. Why? The Sony ZV-E10 is better than you think. APS-C sensor, 24 megapixels, more than enough for beginners. Shoots 4K videos at 24 frames per second and 30 frames per second. Flip out screen, perfect for YouTube and vlogging. Compact and lightweight, great for travel. This camera works very well for YouTube videos, vlogging, photography, short form content, reels, TikTok, shorts. Price with kit lens, white color $700 for $3, black color $739. One honest thing, the kit lens is okay, but it's limited. If you want better image quality, invest in good lens later. That's where the magic happens. Canon R50. Canon alternative under $800. If you prefer Canon colors or you are already familiar with Canon, the Canon R50 is a fantastic choice. APS-C sensor, very sharp image, fast and reliable autofocus, great for beginners. I already made a full video about the Canon R50. Price around $700. Section 2. Best cameras under $1,500. Who is this category for? This is for creators upgrading from beginner cameras, hybrid shooters, photo plus video, filmmakers on budget. Sony A6700 APS-C powerhouse. If you can increase your budget, the Sony A6700 is one of the best APS-C cameras ever made. Key features: 26 megapixels APS-C sensor, shoots 4K up to 60 frames per second, 10-bit 422, huge upgrade for color grading, S-Log3 support, excellent slow motion, strong inward image stabilization, autofocus is insane. Sony built this camera with AI technology that can detect humans' face, eyes, body, animals, birds, vehicles. This makes it perfect for YouTube, commercial work, events, travel filmmakers. Price around $1,494 with a lens. And you are a Canon user, the Canon EOS R is still a solid option. Full frame sensor, great photo quality, hybrid camera. Price around 999, body only. Panasonic Lumix S5, Cinematic Value King. If video quality matters most to you, this camera is a monster. Panasonic Lumix S5 features full frame sensor, 4K 60 frames per second, 10-bit 422, 18 frames per second, slow motion in Full HD, anamorphic support, incredible color science. This is a true filmmaker's camera. Personal story. When I was buying my first serious camera, I was choosing between A7 Mark III and Panasonic Lumix S5. Both were the same price. I chose Sony because I love the ecosystem, but honestly, the Lumix S5 is a beast. Section 3. Best camera over $2,000. Sony ZV-E10. Full frame vlog monster. If you love the Sony ZV-E10 and you want to upgrade, the Sony ZV-E10 is the game changer. Key features: full frame sensor, 4K 60 frames per second, upgradable to 4K 120 frames per second, 10-bit 422, S-Log 3, dedicated AI processor, best-in-class subject tracking, 5-axis IBS, dynamic active stabilization. Perfect for professional YouTubers, solo creators, travel filmmakers. Price: black color $2,159, white color $2,254. Nikon ZR. Let me take a break. This one is my favorite camera. Cinematic beast for the price. If your goal is cinematic filmmaking and you want maximum value, the Nikon ZR is incredible. I even made a comparison video between Canon C50, Sony FX3, Nikon ZR, and honestly, if I were buying a camera in 2026 with a $2,000 plus budget, I would choose the Nikon ZR. Why? Amazing image quality, professional video features, very competitive price, powerful performance in small body. Price: $2,196. At the end of the day, remember this: the best camera is not the most expensive one. It's the one that fits your level, budget, and goals. Any camera in this video can help you start content creation, grow on YouTube, work professionally, create cinematic video. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and use the links in the description if you decide to buy. Let me know in the comments which camera would you buy in 2026. See you in the next one. Peace.